The frequency of kitchen cleaning can vary depending on your cooking habits and preferences, but here are some general guidelines. 1. Daily cleaning: wash dishes, utensils, and cookware immediately after use. Wipe down countertops, stovetops, and kitchen surfaces after preparing meals. Sweep or vacuum the kitchen floor to remove crumbs and debris. 2. Weekly cleaning: clean the inside of the microwave, oven, and refrigerator. Wipe down and disinfect countertops, cabinet handles, and light switches. Mop the kitchen floor. Empty and clean the trash/recycling bins. 3. Monthly cleaning: deep clean the oven, including the oven racks. Defrost and clean the freezer if needed. Check and clean the exhaust fan or range hood filters. Clean the inside and outside of kitchen appliances like the toaster, blender, and coffee maker. 4. Seasonal or as needed: empty and clean the pantry or food storage areas. Declutter and organize cabinets and drawers. Check for expired or spoiled food items and discard them. Remember that these are general guidelines, and you may need to adjust the cleaning frequency based on how often you cook, the size of your household, and personal preferences. A clean kitchen not only promotes hygiene but also makes cooking a more enjoyable experience.